Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, let's start with polygons. I hope we are clear with quadrilaterals. Now, let us learn about polygons, which is a special figure. And in polygons, we have got several n number of figures that it can comprise of. And just one thing to remember is that it has got three or more line segments. It needs to be a closed figure. Very important, it needs to be a closed figure which is entirely made up of line segments. Okay, so here, as I have already mentioned, you can give n number of names to the polygons. However, it is good that you remember at least 10 of them, right? So starting from this shape which is made up of 3 sides called triangle, then we have got 4 sides for quadrilateral, 5 sides, the word 5 is for pentagon, then 6 for hexagon, then we have got 7 for heptagon, then we have 8 for octagon, then we have 9 for nonagon, and then we have 10 for decagon. Decagon as in decade. Decade stands for 10 years, so decagon stands for 10. So if possible, make sure that you do remember at least these 10 names. At least these are not even 10 names. These are just 8 names that you need to remember. Okay. Now moving ahead. Here, different types of polygons are shown to you. I want you to look at this image for a couple of minutes and then we'll move forward. Look at this very clearly. You will notice here, I'll just give you a broad review what you're going to observe in this particular slide is. Here at the center it is written polygon, and then you have got these subdivisions shown. So first, starting from here, polygon. So let's start from this bottom here. If we move downwards, it shows the simplest form of polygon. It has got 3 sides. The name of this polygon is triangle. Now in triangle, we have got several types. We can have equilateral triangle, we can have isosceles triangle, we can have scalene triangle. In triangles, we can have a right angle triangle, we can have obtuse angle triangle, we can have acute angle triangle. Similarly, now observe from going from polygons to this particular 4-sided shape, that is quadrilateral. See, what do you observe? Quadrilateral can be a trapezoid. Trapezoid is another name for trapezium. Okay, so quadrilateral can be a trapezoid. It can be a parallelogram. And we have got several subdivisions for a parallelogram. What are these subdivisions? It can be a square, it can be a rhombus, it can be a rectangle, it can be a kite. So these are all the subdivisions for a parallelogram. And then also we can have a polygon as a pentagon, a hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay.